Welcome along to your weekend forecast from the Met Office. Still quite a bit of uncertainty about the details for this weekend. The main three weather elements will be foggy conditions in the mornings, some heavy showers around. In fact, some big downpours are likely, but by no means for everyone. And there will be some warm sunshine around also. But as I said, details are pretty elusive at this stage. There is quite a bit of uncertainty. Things get quite complicated. Not complicated at the time of recording. On Thursday, we've got low pressure to the northwest, a ridge of high pressure sitting across the country. But as we run through the sequence, the low heads up to the northwest, and this weather front kind of fragments, stagnates, and then perhaps develops into another area of low pressure down to the south by Saturday. Something quite similar then happens on Sunday. Again, an approaching weather front, but instead of kind of just zipping across the country like most of them usually do, this again fragments and slows down and perhaps develops into another low pressure down to the southwest. Why is that happening? Well, it's to do with the shape and position of the jet stream, which is pretty complicated. Developments out in the Atlantic will have an impact on the shape of the jet stream this weekend and whether it dives to the south and lets these low pressure systems develop, or indeed gets cut off. There's more information actually on the complexities of this weather system and the jet stream interaction if you watch Aidan McGivern's 10-day trend from yesterday. But what does it mean for us for the weekend? Well, it does mean there's still a bit of uncertainty, but we are likely to see misty, murky conditions for many on Saturday morning. An old weather front sitting across Scotland, likely to provide cloud and some outbreaks of rain. And where we could see that low pressure system developing down to the south, where we are expecting a lot of showers. Heavy showers breaking out, especially by the afternoon. So parts of Wales and southwest England most susceptible to those. Otherwise, well, you can see actually a lot of fine weather around on Saturday. Those showers will also be hit and miss, so not everywhere seeing the downpours. And when the sun is out, particularly over parts of eastern England, it'll feel quite warm with temperatures getting into the low 20s in places. Obviously, where it's cloudier and where you catch those showers, it will be quite a bit cooler. And then we kind of do it all again on Sunday. Again, uncertainty about the timing of this weather system coming in and how it develops through Sunday. But basically, we're expecting a bit more cloud on Sunday and a greater chance of seeing some heavy showers. Again, not everywhere will catch the downpours, so initially starting over more central areas and then perhaps moving east come the afternoon. Some big downpours, again, possible. A lot of rain could fall in a relatively short space of time. A cloudier day as well, so it won't be as warm, but still, if we see a bit of sunshine, temperatures could pop into the low 20s, but more typically, we're looking at high teens. As I said, still quite a bit of uncertainty about the detail for this weekend. So if you have plans, make sure you stay up to date. And don't forget, if you download the Met Office app, then you can track the rainfall yourself on the radar on there. And of course, keep up to date hour by hour by following us across social media.